Arctic. So my boss has instructed me, because the time the clocks go forward, forward on Sunday. The clocks go forward on Sunday. Yes. So basically, to save him coming in on a weekend on Sunday and doing them all, I'm going to switch over all of the clocks now ahead of time, so that on Monday, when anyone gets in any of the trucks, the times will be right. So, if you are not aware how to change your tacho time, I will show you now. So, on your tacho, you press OK, you go down, down, down until it says entry vehicle. You press OK, you go down, down to vehicle local time, press OK, and then when you change the time on the tacho, it will also change the time on the truck. But when you go up and down, it only goes up and down half an hour. So you want to go up twice, and that will be an hour ahead. Entry stored, and then press back, back, back. So the time at the moment is nearly 4:30, but the time on here now says 5:30. So yeah, that is how you change your time on your tachographs. And now going over to the Volvo unit to do that one, and then gonna go and do Ben's lorry, and I think Zach's still out, so I can't do his. So key in, ignition on. So yeah, just gonna do exactly the same on here. Entry stored, lovely jubbly. Go back, and now it says 17:26. So that one's done.